Welcome back, guys. How are you? I hope you had an amazing week. I had an awesome week, and you can see we have the chart of Network 18 behind me. And this was one of the stocks I shared last week, and this gave a fantastic 50% rally in a single week. So you can see the market was sideways, as I told you to avoid the market totally, and the market was totally sideways. And you can see that Network 18 that gave an amazing rally, and 50% in a week is way too much. So I hope you are sharing this channel. You're getting unbiased and quality analysis over here. So again, and I give the reasons also why I pick the stocks. So you should always go back and check the last week's video. There it will be in the end of the video. A playlist will be there, you can check it out from there. So let's get ahead for the next coming week analysis, and let's go with Nifty. So Nifty is bullish, and if it crosses above this level, our favorite level, that is 17,600, and you can take 17,620 as the market is not perfect, so the market needs to close a green candle above this zone. So in Monday, if you see a green candle closing at 3:30 p.m., it's above 17,600. It's going to head straight to all-time high, and that's going to be furious. It will be an aggressive buying above this level. But if this low is crossed, that is 17,379 or 380, so that can be a sell, uh, that can trigger a sell-off. So it can, there is a gap pending over here, it can come to the gap. So below this level, you can target this level. It is below 17,370. You can target 17,200. And above this, the market can head straight to the all-time high. It can be very, very bullish. Okay. And Bank Nifty is also on the similar note. It is looking a bit more bullish than Nifty. So again, if it crosses above this high, it can also go up like Nifty. And also there is a gap pending over here. So I believe that if it just comes down for some bit of time, it will be a better buying position. And again, let's go with the stocks for the next week. So the first one is Birla Corp. I have marked this level 490. Above 490, even if it crosses 490, you can buy the stock. Of course, this is not a buy sell recommendation. It is a educational content. I share this analysis video with you. And above 490, it is a good buy. It can head straight to say 540 or 50 also. And the next one is uh, my unique. I don't know the name. I forgot the name, but yeah. So you can buy some over here, and you can wait for a pullback to this level. So it is also a very promising stock for the long term. So since it is for the long term, you have to keep your stop loss a bit wide. You have to keep your stop loss over here. So that is a big stop loss, big risk, but also it is a long term stock. It has the potential to get doubled. Okay. And the last one is LTTS. So above this high, that is 54,104, you can definitely see a good upside in this. This can be the first target, and also 6,200 can come. So definitely this is also looking very promising and very good, only above this high. So that's all for the analysis video. And like last week, you saw Network 18, you saw AB Capital, and as a matter of fact, the other stock also that I gave you, that also performed well. So definitely share this channel. Also keep tracking the stocks that I share with you to learn and be able to do your own analysis in the future. So thank you for coming, and see you next week. Thank you.